Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad not opening issues in 2026. So if CryptPad won't load, shows a blank page, or gets stuck while opening, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A slow or interrupted connection can prevent CryptPad from loading correctly. Next, refresh the page and try opening CryptPad again. Temporary loading issues can often be resolved with a simple reload. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with website functionality and prevent pages from opening. Next, try accessing CryptPad in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is related to your browser settings. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, and security extensions can sometimes block important website resources. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may have compatibility issues with modern web applications. Now check if JavaScript is enabled in your browser, as CryptPad relies on it for many core features. Next, restart your browser and close unnecessary tabs to free up memory and improve performance. Now test whether other websites are loading normally. If multiple sites are affected, the issue may be related to your network or browser. Finally, restart your computer and try opening CryptPad again after the reboot. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad not opening issues. Now the platform should load properly and work without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.